So let's talk about proxy server. So what is a proxy server? So a proxy server is a system or router that provides a gateway between user and the internet. Therefore, it helps to prevent cyber attacker from entering a private network. And it is a server referred to as intermediary because it goes between the end user and the web pages that they visit online. So when a computer connects to the internet, it uses an IP address. This is similar to your home's street address, telling incoming data where to go and marking outside data with a return address for other devices to authenticate. A proxy server is essentially a computer on the internet that has an IP address on its own, and it will vary from you to me to other person. So it will vary from machine to machine or person to person. So what is the best use cases or best cases for proxy server? That so proxy server can improve security. It can secure employees internet activity from people trying to snoop on them. It can balance internet traffic to prevent crashes. It can also control the website employees that staffs that access in the office, and also it save bandwidth by caching file or compressing the internet traffic. So how does this proxy work? So because a proxy server has its own address, it can be a go between for a computer and the internet. So your computer knows this address and you send a request to the internet and it routes the proxy which then gets a response to the web server and forward the data with the web pages to your computer browser like Chrome, Safari or any other browser. Then let's talk about how to get a proxy. So there are like hardware and software version. Hardware connected sit between your network and the internet where they get, send and forward the data from the web. And software proxies are typically hosted by a provider or reside in the cloud. You can download and install application on your computer that facilitate interaction with the proxy. So often a software proxy can be obtained for a month free, but nowadays it's hard to get a proxy free. The free version tend to offer fewer addresses and only cover a few devices, while the paid version like this one can meet a demand like business related or many devices or at a time. As you can see, this is the best page for proxies that you can buy. So you can choose any of the version like IPv4 or IPv6. So if you choose IPv6, you can choose country, or if you choose IPv4, you can choose country. You can choose the rental period, which will be for like you can choose 12 months. Then you can choose country, intercontinental 2. So as you can see, IPv4 standard protocol, which is nearly a $1 per proxy. So as you can see, the proxies cost cost vary from country to country. As you can see, in here there are like $2 per proxy in Australia. So and also the lowest is I think this one in US, which is 0.89 USD per proxy. And also you can visit a certain website using this website, which is hidemyas.com, and for proxy, so you can hide your IP and visit web pages that you want to visit. Just simply click this in here and it will go to and visit that web page. And also you can manually choose to connect to the internet using proxy by clicking this. Just search proxy in the network setting. Then you can type your IP address. If you have an extra proxy, then you can do all of this. But if you don't have any proxy, then you cannot do all of this. You have to choose automatically that configure the Tor browser. As you can see, you can choose address, username, password. You can choose SOCKS 5 for or HTTPS, and also you can choose the port that you will be want to use. So So you can have many proxies, you can choose many proxies, you can even buy proxies in here. So let's now close and again open our Tor browser. As you can see, it will automatically connect. So if I automatically, as you can see, you can go to a Tor network setting. You can choose your auto start, which will automatically choose your IP address, proxy, and do all of the thing. So you just have to do is automatically connect, and then you don't need to have anything like Tor or anything. But if you want to do that, you can even do that in here. You can choose or configure the proxies in here. So that's how you use proxy in Tor browser or even any browser you want.